all is well with everybody. So in this video, I want to show you how to reuse your candles and how to make a new candle. Now I know you're probably like, Miss Alexis, when did you start doing videos on candles? Well, if you don't know, I'm taking up a new hobby. And I might even turn it into a venture, a business venture. So I just want to show you how to reuse your candles. So take any leftover candle that you may have and put it on the stove, warm it up, make sure that it's melted, and then you break it apart. And then after that, you're going to put your candle bits inside of the pot. And if you have any soy candle mix, you can mix that along with, in the pot, right along with the old candle bits. And then you want to stir. You want to keep on stirring as the candle melts, as the wax melts. Just keep stirring it. And then you need a thermostat. So the thermostat, you want to wait until the thermostat gets to anywhere from 155 to 165. And then, of course, you're going to get your glue dots. And then make sure you smash it and kind of press down real hard so it stay put. And then you pour your wax. And you guys, don't forget to put your wick center tool on first. If not, this is what will happen if you don't put that on first. Your wick will be, of course, your wick will not stand up in the center. So you want to put that on first. And then, of course, you can use any petals. And you can use essential oils that are made for candles, cubes, and dye for candles. So I'm going to make my candles look real pretty. So I'm going to put some petals on the candle. And you can put it inside the wax while the wax is still warm. So I love my petals. And then, as you see, it's not quite dry yet. So once it gets totally dry, which takes overnight, but you can use a blow dryer too. Then you cut your wick, and then you take your wick center tool off. And then if your wick is still too long, you would want to cut your wick again. If you don't want to make the wick too short. And I hope you enjoy your candle. And add as many petals as you like. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed.